If you're looking to update your furniture without the hassle of sanding or priming, then all-in-one paint is the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll be discussing the pros and cons of all-in-one paint and introducing you to some of the top brands available. One of the biggest advantages is that usually no top coat is required. This saves time and effort in the painting process. Also, most of the time, a primer is not needed either, making it even easier to get started. Basically, all-in-one paint just makes painting so much easier. But there are some downsides to consider. Most all-in-one paints have limited sheens, which might not be right for everyone. Brush marks and texture can also be left behind, affecting the look of your project. Now, let's dive into some of the top all-in-one paint brands. Heirloom Traditions paint is one of the best options on the market. It adheres to everything without the need for sanding or priming, even on slick laminate furniture. And no top coat is required. The satin sheen finish looks so good and is so easy to clean. But it's important to note that there is a lot of texture left behind in the paint when it is brushed or rolled on. It sprays absolutely beautiful though. Another great option to consider is Fusion Mineral Paint. It adheres better than most paints, but has a matte sheen. The matte sheen is actually very durable though, and it doesn't have to be top coated, but I prefer to give it a satin sheen so then it's easier to keep it clean. But this paint levels out well, whether it is brushed, rolled, or sprayed. Melange 1 is another all-in-one paint that I love. It adheres well, but I wouldn't trust it sticking super well without scuff sanding and priming. The eggshell sheen is very pretty, but it isn't the easiest to clean, so you may want to top coat it for a shinier finish. The best thing about Melange 1 though is that it levels out the very best and leaves no brush marks in the finish. Last but not least, Beyond Paint adheres very well without the need of primer or sanding. The eggshell sheen finish, once again, might need to be top coated depending on your preference, though I did see that they came out with a new sheen, so I'm curious about that. It is a durable finish as is though. Beyond Paint doesn't level out very well though, so expect a lot of texture in the paint. Overall, there are many excellent all-in-one paint options to consider when updating your furniture, but none of them are perfect. So you'll have to consider what's most important for you and your project. I hope this video was helpful in making your decision, and happy painting! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of our helpful videos. Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.